In this video, I'm going to show you how to give customers credit in QuickBooks Online. So first, let's create a credit memo. Click on the new button and click on credit memo. So now let's choose a customer that we will be giving the credit to. So I have an example right here, and just put in the service date that you want, and select the product or service that credit memo will be applicable to. So for example, we'll be choosing services, and then just put in the description of that product or services. I'll just put in service as an example. So we'll be putting also the quantity and the rate and the amount. So let's just put in a random numbers as an example. Okay, so after that, just click on save and send. After we've created the memo, then just click on send and close. Okay, so now let's check if the credit has been given to our customer. So let's head on over to the customers and lead, click on customers, and click on the customer that you sent it to. And as you can see, the 25 credit memo has been applied to the customer. And that's about it. That's how you pay 3, 2, 1. And that's about it. That's how you give customers credit in QuickBooks Online. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out.